Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? Today we're gonna do a very easy style. It's gonna be a natural Marley hair ponytail. So this is freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair, I didn't add anything in it. So of course I'm gonna jump right in and add my twisting butter / moisturizer. And just coat my hair with it. For this style, you're gonna need Marley hair. I have 1 pack of Marley hair, and you're also gonna need Eco Styler gel, a fine tip comb, and a brush. And then of course, something to hold your ponytail, so you can use scrunchies, you can use a ribbon, or you can use an outro span, whatever you prefer. Now, I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna do it on this side. I towel dried my hair, so it's a little damp, it's not soaking wet. Sorry this video took so long, guys. My voice is so, it's just coming back because I had caught a cold, so lost my voice for a day or two. So now I'm just like, pushing through with the voice that I got. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair to the side. Be very generous with the gel that we're using because I'm going to need it. You're probably going to need it if your hair is as thick as mine to get that ponytail to lay the way you need it to lay. So go ahead and apply the gel in between your hair, part it out, apply the gel, brush it, comb it, manipulate it to get it to lay. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to take my tail comb also and just smooth my hair in. See what we're working with. Get the brushing into that ponytail formation, get it into the position that I need it to be so that I can go ahead and tie it up into a ponytail to work on my hairline and my edges. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And I'm still using gel. So we just going to dab and gel, dab and gel, brush, comb, dab, gel. Brush, comb, dab, gel. That's a nice little rhyme. Brush, comb, dab, gel. Brush, comb, brush. Tongue twister. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail. And this is going to be a temporary ponytail. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put it in this ponytail so I can work on my hairline. If you got baby hairs, this is what the time that you want to go ahead and put it in a temporary ponytail for. Them baby hairs, them waves around the hairline to give it some type of shape. But whatever you do with your edges, that's what you're going to do at this point in time with this temporary ponytail. So anyways, yeah, I'm just going ahead and forming, my waves throughout my hair, just combing it, and getting it in the position for the permanent ponytail that's coming up in a couple of minutes. I can still do that, y'all.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So these are the waves that I'm talking about. In case you guys are wondering, what are you talking about? Waves? What waves? Swim where? I can't swim. Girl. So yeah, these are the waves. These are my little, I don't even know what to call it. Hairline waves, I guess you could say. My little hairline swoops. So yeah, these are my hairline waves because I don't have baby hairs. And sometimes you want that illusion or you want that type of effect. Or you just want to give your ponytail some oomph in the front because, you don't really see much but waves in the texture of your hair until you get to the back. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just slicing and dicing, throwing some, little psh in the front of my hair. Gosh. Anyways, yeah, so this is me taking out my temporary ponytail. You're taking out your temporary, guys, and we're gonna put in the permanent. It's kind of like when you go to get like a is it a cap when you go to the dentist, or a root canal, whatever. Anyways, I don't know why I'm relating that to it, but yeah, so I just put my hair in the permanent ponytails, and then I tightened it a bit. That's what all that combing and brushing was doing, was kind of forming it so you can have a tighter ponytail. I'm gonna take some Eco Booster. I've seen so much magic with this thing, so I'm just putting it over my waves, my swoops, my edges, my hairline, and I'm just kind of like putting it back into its shape. And this is going to give it that extra hold. And you're going to see in a few minutes, I'm going to take the Gossipy spray and I'm going to just shoot it over it. Boop, boop, boop. And that's also going to give me that extra hold. Now, I do want to let you know, this thing does get white over time. So I don't recommend continuously applying the Eco Booster to your hair on top of each other. It does get white, just letting you know, being honest with you. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna take the the Gossipy spray, and you know, like I said, just boop boop boop, shoot it on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is take the Marley hair, split it in two, and I'm gonna rubber bands and kind of make a ponytail of them. So usually the way the Marley hair comes, or the braiding hair comes in a pack, they come with that rubber band in the middle. I just separated the one pack and I'm gonna make two. That's one. Then I'm gonna take the rubber band and do the same thing to the other side. In the middle. Let's see. I'm going to take both of the Marley and put them on the Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and take the hair and the two ponytails, separate them, put one at the top and one at the bottom, and then I'm going to just make sure it's positioned directly above each other. Then I'm just gonna go from underneath the ponytail and grab like probably 3 to 4 strands. I would say about 4 strands is good enough. Yeah, grab 3 to 4 strands of the Marley individual hairs and just wrap them around those 2 separate ponytails. Wrap them around the entire ponytail. How about that? And you know, wrap them tight. You know, make sure it's like tight and neat, and make sure all the hairs are aligned with each other, and that's going to hide any of your hair. It's going to hide the separation between those 2 ponytails from top to bottom, and you just going to tuck the ends underneath. So as you keep going around, you're going to run out of the hair. You're just going to take the ends and tuck it underneath. You can, you know, attach it with a bobby pin. That's all, y'all. That's all I did. And finish up the look. I'm gonna add this little clip right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this clip to my hair. It's one of those little bobby pins with pearls on it, those little accessory pins, just to add some flair to my ponytail. And also I have a little section right there that is not flat, so I'm just gonna add it right on top. Boop. Like I said, this is just a one-day ponytail. I'm going to a little graduation party, and that's all. And I thank you so much for watching my video. Mwah. Till next time.